Honorable Committee and everybody, I am Batun Songwun Ketkun from Thailand. Integrative Maintenance Free Readiness Challenge, inspiration of innovation created in any feature of the cellular phone or smartphone. Everyone can buy them device of the owner. In present day, everyone carry alcohol so that device implies in the media. It can access in any social media, contact, camera, and so on. Maintenance free readiness managed indicated as following. Number one, provide in the maintenance on smartphone 5G. Number two, process indicating in the model option. Number three, promotion in expensing in the Huawei innovation. Number four, progress in original price. Number five, programmer in serviceable reality. Maintenance in on features of the Huawei smartphone create in identity of the scamming. Huawei owner can process in a model maintenance fee by sale. They become smart in a sale and they imagine in funny with using it. Release sad, feel happy. In media device with cellular phone or smartphone in 5G or 5th generation Wi-Fi for everyone the owner with server 5G. In this challenge presentation apply in the demo, everyone can know on the maintenance free in solving the trouble. Smartphone go back to normality at following. Hi, Internet of Things, how are you doing? Great. Hi, Android. How about you? Perfect. Please give me a hand. What? Please check my phone and tell me in the matter. Of course, it is trouble. It has got in the matter on the access thing in sign on as homepage balalog.com. Alright, I see. Thank you. Please do it by yourself. Number one, please Huawei maintenance. Step 1, process. Number 2, press normalization. Step 2, process. Number 3, select www. Step 3, process. Its normalization is variable occur in my phone. Okay, everything back to normal position without the matter. Thank you very much. Anything else? No, thank you. Bye. Bye bye. The end. Thank you very much, Honorable Committee and everybody in watch my challenge. Good luck and bye bye.